Good afternoon, everybody. Bella and I, we've been hauling wood today, and I saw this tree, and it brought back a memory. Over 20 years old. My grandmother, this time of year, she'd see these pretty trees and stuff. She'd see one bright red like this, and she'd go, "Boy, I sure wish I could have had a dress like that." A few things I miss about my grandmother: conversation, her sugar cookies, and Sunday breakfast with the pancakes she made from scratch. But thanks a lot, Grandma. This one brought back a memory. I could hear your voice saying it. Thank you very much, Grandma. Love you. Y'all be safe out there. Have a great day. Sometimes a memory is a beautiful thing. See you around. Bye.